Pristine Herbal Touch Wart Mole Vanish is an all-natural mole and skin tag remover with a 20-minute application. It's award-winning and one of the best wart removers that are working fast and effectively. The best part is that you can use it straight from home. Let's get started. On the box you will find the product information. Before using Pristine Herbal Touch's Wart and Mole Vanish, read all precautions and directions carefully at wartmolevanish.com. Opening the box, you will see the product in the box. Follow along with this simple guide. Step 1. Clean the surface with the solution using a cotton swab or soap and water. Step 2. Scratch or rough up the entire mole or skin tag surface with supplied emery board and/or toothpick. Be sure not to touch the surrounding skin surface. Step 3. Open the Wart Mole Vanish cream bottle and stir contents thoroughly with an applicator stick. Step 4. Using the tip of the applicator stick, apply a thin layer of Wart Mole Vanish cream until the surface of the mole is fully covered. Use only enough cream to cover the affected area, and do not apply to the surrounding skin. A little goes a long way. Step 5. Allow Wart Mole Vanish cream to remain for 20 minutes. There may be a moderate to strong stinging sensation lasting 5 to 10 minutes. Step 6. Gently wash off white-dried Wart Mole Vanish cream with water or a wet cotton swab. Step 7. A scab should form within 24 to 48 hours. Do not remove prematurely. Step 8. Wait 1 to 3 weeks for the scab to fall off naturally. And just like that, you are done. As you can see, the mole is completely removed. This product works wonders.